4739, your battery is low.
What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? And let's go for a flight. All set up, ready to go. We're gonna fly the Cinewhoop, and we're gonna fly something else. Probably the 8S quad. I got some new batteries for it. Got some 1100 mAh China Hobby Line 4S packs that I'm gonna run in series. So let's give this a try.
When you're sleeping, you're watching out. Up 2 flights of stairs.
Alright, so got the 8S quad. I got my new batteries for the quad, which I've been waiting for a while for them to come out and be delivered and all that stuff. But I've got some 1100 8S China Hobby Line batteries. They're two 4S 1100 mAh batteries in series, and we're going to try this on our 5-inch 8S Beast. Yeah, let's go try it. like that a lot. Holy crap. That felt good. Let's get one of these batteries unplugged so we have a disconnection here. So, 8S, 1100 mAh. It's a little bit bigger than a pack than I was thinking would be good for, you know, a 4-minute flight. So we got 4 minutes, 20 seconds, and we did some pretty hard flying. And the results are in the video. So the packs are pretty warm. They're not hot, like scorching hot, but they are warm. They were just running 33.6 volts, as you guys seen on the OSD. The flight characteristic of this quad is pretty damn good. The balanced weight with the batteries being much smaller has really helped. 60 grams is what they weigh less than the 1500s. And so far, like me spinning the motors, everything feels good. They're not scorching hot. It is 100 and something degrees out here. I think it's like 102, I think, if I remember right. Let me turn this off. It's screaming in my ear, static. So, with it being 102 degrees outside and being able to fly like we did on 8S on these motors, they're the 1300 kV 2806 Zings. They're rated for 6S, but I was told that you could run them on 8S, and the results are promising. I've actually been pretty impressed with the way this thing flies, the tuning, the capabilities of what it's capable of, flying at the speeds that it can and the power that it's got. At first you'd think it would be ridiculous, but I don't think it is. I really feel like we're onto something here. This means everything to me. It means my dream wasn't a waste. My dream was not a wasted thought. It actually turned into something good. All right, guys. Like, this was awesome. Thanks for coming along. Really appreciate it.